Welcome to the FCICA product webinar series. We are pleased to have Shane Jenkins of Schönox with us today. Shane, whenever you're ready.
Thank you, Lizzie. Good morning, everyone. I'd like you to join us for our webinar today. We're excited to bring you another line of exciting products from the Schönox line. I hope you guys are ready for the attendance, and with no further ado, we'll get started. You guys have seen our tagline being on it. I'm sure you've seen that in our trade show booth, especially when you came out to see us at Tucson. But we are kind of expanding that a little bit. Now our tagline is called Bring It On. We have our brand new Worst Subfloor contest in play right now. So if you guys have our web address or on our app, please find some nice projects that you've used Schönox products to do those repairs with. Give those entries to us. We are going to have a nice prize package coming out very soon. It will be on our website and on our app. This is our 6th annual Worst Subfloor contest, and we're very eager to see what you guys have out in the field. But Schönox has also been known for technology, driving new products in the industry, and we're very excited about bringing you one today. And this is our new hybrid active dry technology self-leveling compounds called AP Rapid and AP Rapid Plus. This is something that's been in development for several years, and we are eager and excited to see how these products can be used here in the U.S. market. So we've been listening to our installers in the field, and they like the fast drying techniques of cementitious-based products, and they also like the non-shrinkage ability of our synthetic gypsum compounds. They were asking us, can it be possible to combine both fast drying and non-shrinkage to create a true hybrid? So that has been something that's been in development for several years, and we have now had success with that and is eager to introduce you to our new system. So what we're doing, we will actually combine a calcium aluminate cement with a synthetic gypsum system, and also some polymers and some additives to help steer and control the binder system. This produced a 100% pure hybrid product. So now we can combine that initial fast setting of cement and that non-shrinkage of gypsum. And we have a system which is called hybrid active dry technology. So what that is the next level or the next generation of synthetics. 100% active dry technology offers the benefits of both worlds, combining versatility and strength and also durability of synthetic gypsum and a fast-drying cement. So normally in a cementitious product, the water is absorbed through hydration, and that produces shrinkage. And when you're looking at a gypsum system, it dries by evaporation, which gives you the longer dry times. This hybrid active dry technology system actually takes the free water within the system and combines it to create the product itself. So we are looking at something that will not absorb the water like you would with shrinkage of cement and does not expel it like you would with a gypsum system, a true hybrid active dry technology system. So we're getting something that's very easy to mix. This can be barrel mixed or it can be pumped. Very good flow properties. This is a high flow rate material, very smooth, easy to install, has some good products in it that will give you some healing capabilities of this material. We have a long pot life, and that combines even with faster strength development. So we have it developed that gives you enough time to get it placed and get it smooth, and then the strength development happens very quickly. There's low risk of overwatering this particular product because it is a hybrid active dry technology. It's taking the water that it needs within the system, and that is it. So we're actually taking free water and using that for the hydration process. It's very versatile for our job site conditions. So those critical substrates that we've been dealing with, the asbestos floor tile, the sheet goods, those type products can be used with this type system, so we don't have to worry about demolition. We can still go over them like we would with our synthetic gypsum products. It's very homogeneous surface when wet and either after drying time. You'll see that when the cure process happens. Very easy to pump. We've had some very good success this year with pumping these two materials. Flows very well for those type pump systems. High surface hardness. We're getting 5,800 and 6,200 PSI compressive strength. Very easy to sand. Again, the same characteristics that we would for a synthetic gypsum system with the combining of a fast-drying cement. We do meet EC1 plus R code for low emissions, or low VOCs. This product is UL classified and is also dust reduced. So a lot of good properties and benefits for this type system that we're introducing to you today. So AP Rapid Plus, the drying speed on it, as you can see on this chart, is very quickly. On a normal gypsum system, we're talking anywhere from 6 hours up to 48 hours, depending on the conditions that we're doing at 7/8 of an inch. Cement will dry a little bit faster, but our hybrids are actually getting faster than some of our traditional cementitious type products. So our product can be poured AP Rapid Plus at 7/8 of an inch, and then AP Rapid at a 1/2 inch. So we can get high strength gain workability in a very short period of time. So look at your flexible strength and compressive strength as well. Gypsum systems normally take a longer time to get your initial flexible strength, up to 28 days, and continue on that scale upwards. If you look at the cementitious product, same way, but you're also getting a higher compressive strength on the cementitious side as well. The hybrids that we have get higher flexible strength at a shorter period of time, and also a higher compressive strength at that shorter period of time as well. So that's giving you easier workability, able to go over these critical substrates, and able to put your final floor covering on them in a much shorter time frame. So this hybrid active dry technology, we're very excited to present to you guys. This is going to open up our markets not only in multifamily applications, but also in retail and in healthcare and education markets. Any place that we need that faster turnaround and critical substrates combined into one application. So this is something that we hope that you guys will embrace. This could be our next generation of self-leveling compound materials. So your AP Rapid is active dry, again, 1/16 to basically 1/2 in one lift. So this is our traditional 1/2 inch self-leveling compound, ready for floor covering in about 6 hours. At 1/4 of an inch, if we go into full 1/2 inch, normally around 24 hours, ready for placement. We're insensitive to our water dosage. Again, it's not as critical as with water as you would with some of our other self-leveling compounds. A little extra water in these mixes will not degrade the system because it's actually taking that free water that it needs for the hydration process. Very low shrinkage on this material, so we can go over those critical substrates. We can go over the asbestos floor tile, the existing wood flooring, the sheet vinyl products, adhesive residues, cutback residues, those type products. We can actually pour this product over that with the primer system underneath. We are interior use only for this product. It is pumpable. We are suitable for our underfloor heating systems. We are dust reduced, so the mixing dust that is created when these products are mixed are reduced, so that's very important for the environment and also important for the health and safety of our workers. We want to make sure that they're not inhaling excessive dust. So if you're doing open remodels in retail space or in education, and especially in healthcare, having a dust-reduced product is very important. And again, we do meet ME code EC1 plus R for our low VOC contents as well. AP Rapid Plus, we are looking at a product that we can go to deeper applications. The self-leveling can go up to 3 inches. From 1/8 to 3 inches is normally what we're looking at with AP Rapid Plus. This is eliminating that process in multifamily installations where they are actually removing the existing gypsum systems and then installing plywood and doing a patch around it. That is a very risky maneuver for not only our risk management, but our health safety of our occupants. So this product can actually be installed up to that 3 inches to infill those areas that we need to infill on our multifamily applications. So we're ready for floor covering with this product, 16 hours at 1/2 inch and approximately 8 hours at 2 inches. So we are very high strength gain very fast on this product. We are, again, not worried about high water dosage variations on this one. Very low shrinkage properties as well, and all the suitable for underleaf heating systems, dust reduced, and EC1 codes. This product right here is very versatile, even in our environmental conditions. Climate does not have a major impact on our hybrid active dry technology. The pictures you're seeing on your screen is one of our original testing that we did in our processing in Germany. This was a pump process, as you can kind of guys see on our screen. We're looking at the external temperature of this facility was about 39 degrees outside, so very low temperatures. And even at that lower temperatures, we were still able to mix and pour and pump this product into the space with absolute success. So the next slide you're seeing, they clean primed it, laid out the underfloor heating systems, pumped this material into it. We're still probably 45 degrees in the internal temperature of this, so we're not getting the high variation, whether being high temperatures or very low temperatures. But also to keep into consideration, also humidity. We live in the United States where humidity has a large variation. Low humidity in our western states, very high humidity in the southeast. So humidity does not affect the drying time of our hybrid active dry technology. So for folks in the southeast, we are putting in a system. If it's a higher humidity, we may have to add extra dry time for this. This material, again, takes that free water, even with humidity, and we can get drying time still stable within that 6-hour time frame on our AP Rapid. That normally would take additional dry time if you're doing a traditional synthetic gypsum system. So to kind of recap a little bit, hybrid active dry technology with AP and AP Rapid Plus. Ease of use, we can barrel mix this material. It can be pumped. It is very safe and very sustainable. We do have LEED credits available because of renewable resources and our low VOCs for this product. So any project that you're working on that needs LEED certification, this products do qualify for those LEED points. Very fast strength development, very early walkability. So if we guys are doing a retail space, we can clean, prime, and pour the existing floor finishes, pour our AP Rapid Plus over it. We can have strength gain within 4 to 6 hours ready for new installation. So same-day installations that we could not do otherwise. So early ready for floor covering, self-curing capacity, very fast drying, very fast setting. And like we kind of said before, it's insensitive to our job site conditions. So substrate temperature, our climate, our humidity, exact water dosage, these are variations that normally would slow down our drying process, even with cementitious products and our synthetic gypsum systems. These processes are kind of eliminated when you're doing a hybrid active dry technology system. So you take AP Rapid Plus, and we have a full system now for you guys doing new multifamily construction or even some renovation. We have a sound and insulation sheathing. We have a 3-dimensional Renotex. We have our RS50 foam tape and our AP Rapid Plus self-leveling. These 4 products combined gives you a full UL rated system for both fire resistance and sound resistance. And it is a self-leveling system combined with the 3D Renotex. Gives you a really uncoupled self-floating system that can be installed in our multifamily applications. So we can put that full system in at a reduced thickness of only 1 inch versus some of our traditional system that you're seeing in multifamily use today. So this is going to be very important for our new construction. This is giving us a life cycle cost very low because of the durability and the versatility of the system. No longer are we putting in traditional systems that will be around the 2,000 PSI strength gain. This is going to be upwards of 6,000 PSI on compressive. Gives you very high versatility on the flexibility as well. So for anybody that's interested in the multifamily aspect of this product, this is actually being engineered and designed for you. If we put this system in at that 1 inch thickness, ½ inch with your sound and insulation layer, and ½ inch for your AP Rapid Plus with Renotex, we get dry times overnight ready for installation. So no longer are we having to wait an additional 3 to 4 days for this stuff to dry for you to do your installation. So it's going to speed up the actual finishing process of our multifamily installations. We do have a brochure ready for you guys that can be got from our website, www.hpsubfloors.com. Click on the 3D Renotex brochure, and you can have that information. It gives you some step-by-step instructions on how to actually install the product, and also mentions our other synthetic systems that can be combined in with our Rapids hybrid active dry technology products. So it's suitable for any type of construction. Another good feature of our 3D Renotex and our AP Rapid Plus, if we have a contaminated system, if you have a slab that is contaminated with grease, oil, those type compounds, normally those are your bond breakers. We can actually take this product, our 3D-dimensional Renotex and our AP Rapid Plus, combine that with a polyethylene foil. We can actually put that on the slab and do an uncoupled system. So we can actually do a non-bonded, three-dimensional reinforced system that can go over these type products. Then we combine it with our sound and insulation layer. Then we actually get the full UL-rated system that we need for our multifamily use and our upper retail applications, any place that we need that fire resistance, smoke resistance, and sound resistance as well. So as you can see, it is self-supporting, even at a half-inch layer. There is nothing within that system. You're seeing the lady standing on top of it. So what does that mean for us? Again, some risk management. If in an event that we have a deterioration of the substrate underneath in a fire that you have in a multifamily application, even at 1/2 inch thickness, it is self-supporting. So it would give the occupant a little extra time in order to vacate. So that is giving you some great properties that you can give to your end users to use this three-dimensional Renotex system with our AP Rapid Plus and our sound and insulation sheeting. And with that, that is the end of our presentation. We will open it now for questions. Lizzie?
Wonderful. We have plenty of time for questions, everyone. So you can go in your left bottom hand screen. You'll see a Q&A tab, and type in your questions there, and we can answer anything you've got today for Shane. I do have a question ready here for you.
Okay.
Do you see this as new technology in self-leveling products? And why does it always seem that Schönox is the one to bring out new technology?
Schönox has always been the innovator, trying to get above the curb. We do listen a lot to our installers and to our people out in the field. We get a lot of that advice, just, hey, I need something to fit this need. I need to come up with this solution. We do have over 30 chemists full-time at our Research and Development Center in Rosendahl, Germany. They're constantly developing improvements to existing products and actually creating new products as well. So we always want to be that type product innovator that can bring new products and new systems to the market. Excellent.
We have a question from Curtis Colgrove. Can it be installed over a substrate with high RH numbers?
I would not. This is still considered a synthetic gypsum hybrid. So if we have higher RH numbers above 80, 85 RH, I would install a moisture mitigation system prior to installing the synthetic hybrid products.
Great question, Curtis. Now, Shane, I know you said that this is an indoor product. What about if you have like a screened-in porch? Could you use it there?
You're still looking at an exterior application. You're not freestyle stable with these products. So if you're in an environment that is not a controlled temperature, then I would not put that in a situation with like a screen porch. Sunrooms would be acceptable. Screen porches is still environment aspect.
Okay. What about this product makes it different from normal gypsum products?
Normal gypsum products are, if you're talking about traditional gypsum, then we're looking at compressive strengths, 1,800 to 2,200 PSI compressive traditionally with standard gypsum products. Their flexible strength is probably less than 1,000. on some of these aspects. Look at AP Rapid in itself. We have compressor strength 3,800 in 1 day. After our 28-day cure time, we're at 5,800 PSI compressor strength and probably about 1,300 on the flexible strength for that product. In conjunction with AP Rapid Plus, compressor strength 3,800 on day 1, around 6,300 PSI on 28 days, and we have a flexible strength of around 1,500 PSI. So very high strength gain, very high flexible strength. So the processing that we do with traditional gypsum have some issues around some of the plywood joints. We could eliminate that with these type systems and give the owners and the project managers more reassurance that this has longer life cycle than traditional gypsum.
Now remind me, can you use this over existing flooring like vinyl tiles and asbestos tiles?
You can, most definitely. This is one of the greatest advantages of our hybrid active dry technology, that we can combine the non-shrinkage ability of our synthetic gypsum systems, if we've been known for the last 20 years, and then the higher strength gain, faster drying time of the cementitious product. So low shrinkage. So basically, simply, we're cleaning, priming, and pouring. We would prime those existing floor finishes like VCT or asbestos tile with our primer called Schönox SHP. Allow that to dry probably about 1 hour, and then we can pour our AP Rapid on top of those existing systems. So for your healthcare environments, we can go into your existing healthcare areas, clean it, prime it, pour it, same day come back in with a LVT using our roll and go adhesive, and give the owner a same day installation from start to finish.
Excellent. I'm not currently seeing any more questions coming in. Is there anything else that you would like to share with the audience?
We're looking forward to seeing everyone in Atlanta. Please come by and say hi to us. We will be there in person, ready to work with FCICA. Again, we mentioned earlier in the webinar, our worst subfloor contest is up and running. You can access that through our website and through our application. We had a record number of applicants last year, had some very good products and processes come through. We're seeing you guys using our Schönox applications. We want to see that again this year. So please reach out to us, give us those pictures and details of what's going on. Very great prizes for not only the company owners, but also the installers as well. So take advantage of that as much as you can. And also, if you're interested in doing training here at Schönox, we do that monthly. Contact your local regional business manager for more details.
Wonderful. And any SIMs on the line, if you do training with Schönox, that counts towards your SIM renewal. So just make sure you let me know. And I think we can wrap up now. I'm still not seeing any questions coming through. If you do think of a question later, you can reach out to Shane, I'm sure, or you can send it along to me and I can get it on to Shane. So on behalf of FCICA, thank you so much, Shane, for presenting today's webinar sponsored by Schönox. It was great to hear about all of the new products coming out. SIMs, you can now navigate to the Submit Credit tab in the webinar viewer. It will ask you to complete a survey before you can submit for credit. Trick here is you have to be logged in for this feature to work. Just typing your name in to get into the webinar does not count as logging in. So if you just see the little spinning circle of doom, back out of the webinar, sign into the education portal, come back to the webinar, and then it'll work. I know it's a little tricky. If you have any issues, please let me know. I'm trying to improve the system as much as I can every day. Thank you so much for joining us, everyone. And Shane, thank you again. Have a fantastic rest of your day.